what can you do about it? Whipping that big body lamb, bitches a wide body. And this shit can get real, don't even play about it. Spamming that infinite money glitch, honestly, what can you do about it? Whipping that big body lamb, bitches a wide body. And this shit can get real, don't even play about it. 1 in 10 on the dash, speeding through traffic, leaving tire marks on the asphalt. Call me LeBron, the way that I clutch up. All of my homies carry sticks, swerving that big body truck, can't nobody touch us. Calling my big brother Tyreek King with the way that he runs up. Call me Mr. Rich, counting up all of my money and nobody's touching me. She likes the way that I'm whipping the vet, too much money on me, I can't take you serious. That boy's delirious, just whipped out of the dealership. Got that pink slip, got that money on me.